Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up a Elasticsearch Spring Boot project using the start.spring.io and what are the dependencies that we are going to use in our project. So our project will be like a project will be the backend APIs where we will create the APIs to submit the poetries and the type of poetry and the attachment of any image to that particular poetry. So it means a website that we are developing will be based on like the poetry submission where the users can submit their poetries and view the others poetries and they can communicate using the comments and they can get the likes, so that kind of project structure will be ours. So there will be the two things. One is the backend thing that will be developed in the Spring Boot. The APIs will be there, and after that, the Angular project will be there. In that, we will learn how we can integrate our APIs in our Angular project, right? So let's start first with the backend side. So in the Spring Boot APIs, to create the Boot project, I am using start.spring.io. So let's type the start.spring.io, enter that, and from here you can select what of the project type, Gradle or Maven. So we will be using the Maven project, and after that the language we will be going to use Java. Spring Boot version, I will suggest always use the non-snapshot version and the latest version, that is 3.2.0. So I'm using that. The group name will be the package name. So that will be the com.techdeveloper. Artifact will be www.lovepoet.com. That will be our project name basically. So same name. And here we will say back Spring Boot Elasticsearch backend APIs for www.lovepoet.com, and the package name will be that particular website name, and then the packaging will be jar and Java version will be 17. Let's generate before this generating we have to add the dependencies. So what of the dependencies I am using here, please keep in mind. First we will be using the dev tool. Click on it, and after that dev tools we will be using the validations, and after validations we will be using Spring Web, and Spring Web is there, and Spring Data Elasticsearch. Click on it, and after that we will be using Lombok, and Lombok for this, and after that what we can use is I think these of the dependencies are required, the minimal requirements. So later on, if anything required, we will add it on. So let's create the project for now. So before creating project, let's ensure that what are the dependencies that we are going to use. The one is the dev tool that will be used to reload or restart the applications without manual restarting. Validations will be used when we are going to check or validate the request body. So all the Hibernate validators will work. and Spring Web Starter that will be required, the Tomcat, and the Elasticsearch repository that will be using the Spring Data Elasticsearch, and the Lombok we will be using to reduce the boilerplate code basically for reducing the code complexity and means a simple class or Java bean without getter setters. So let's generate this project. It is generating and it will download the project in this download folder. Just save it. The project is being downloaded. Now click on it. I am using the Spring tool suite. You can use any of the tools that you want. Just go to the import project, select the Maven project and existing Maven project, select the browse and go to this, and there will be the project name that will be www dot this one. Okay, the folder is not valid. We have to first extract this folder, go to the downloads and extract it here. So go to the Spring Tool Suite folder. Now you will see the folder is there. Just click on it, just select the folder and click finish. It will be importing the Maven project, so it will be downloading the required libraries. So just wait for the libraries to be downloaded. So it will also be depends on your internet connection speed, that how much fast your internet connection is. So it will download the files accordingly. So just wait few more seconds. So yes, so our applications libraries have been downloaded and we have created the setup for our application, right? So for now what we have to do is uh, I think I can stop this video here. So in this video we have shown you that how we can set up the project and how we can add uh, the zip file and extract it and add it to the Eclipse folder so that the folder structures can be created. So in the later on videos I will explain you how the project folders or the package structures will be there for the project that we are developing. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe my channel, please support my YouTube journey, and please press the bell icon to get the latest notification for all my videos. Thank you for watching this video guys. Bye for now. Take care.